In the early 1800s, American industry was just beginning to push beyond regional boundaries. Today, the global economy forces manufacturers to look for new technologies in their quest for continuous improvement while watching the bottom line. 160 years ago, goods and materials were shipped by steamboats and wagon trains. Schaeffer Manufacturing kept American commerce moving with some of the earliest lubricants available. Established in 1839, Schaeffer is the oldest lubricant manufacturer in the United States and among the oldest in the world. Today, Schaeffer provides superior quality lubricants to companies and industry worldwide. During the Gulf War, Schaeffer Manufacturing supplied the grease used on the Apache helicopter and the M1A1 Abrams tank. Desert sand was a big problem for the tail rotor bearings on the Apaches, preventing the laser sights from locking on target. Schaeffer supplied a grease widely used in the sand and gravel industry that eliminated the problem. The best testimonial to the effectiveness of Schaeffer's grease was seen by millions: laser sights locking on targets. Today, Schaeffer is one of the largest manufacturers of synthetic oils and greases. Schaeffer combines the finest quality synthetic base stocks with 100% pure paraffin base oils to produce a finished product that dramatically reduces bottom-line operating costs. Schaeffer serves a wide variety of industries, including construction and aggregate, trucking and commercial fleets, steel and aluminum, marine, mining, and manufacturing. Schaeffer Manufacturing was recently recognized as one of the fastest-growing high-tech companies in St. Louis by being named to the Regional Commerce and Growth Association's Fast 50. Schaeffer also remains on the cutting edge, being awarded an ISO 9002 rating. ISO 9002 means Schaeffer is certified to meet the highest industrial standard for quality in its manufacturing process. One thing all Schaeffer customers have in common is their attention to the bottom line. Take, for example, D&J Construction. They operate 500 pieces of heavy equipment in Louisiana. By switching to Schaeffer lubricants, they saved an estimated $87,000 at the bottom line. These savings resulted from less downtime and lost production, as well as fewer oil changes and fuel savings. In one Cat 988 loader, differential temperatures dropped 38 degrees Fahrenheit and drain intervals more than doubled. These savings are possible in part due to Schaeffer's Oil Analysis Lab that plays an important role advising customers on extending drain intervals. Superior quality products accompanied by top-notch technical support. Schaeffer has 3 full-time chemists at the home office in St. Louis and a team of technical field managers ready to answer tough lubrication questions. Medusa Cement experienced significant results in the cement industry. By incorporating Schaeffer lubricants into their preventive maintenance program, Medusa reduced lubricant usage by 40% and realized a 3-cent per ton reduction in their overall cost of operation. This resulted in a $130,000 increase on the bottom line. The maintenance foreman reported a dramatic reduction in wear on the ball mill pinion gears. Hanson plc is one of the largest mining and natural resource companies in the world. At the Hanson aggregate plant in New Braunfels, Texas, they cut grease consumption by 50%. Schaeffer grease stays in the bearings longer, especially in areas with water washout. Tough applications can provide even greater opportunities for savings. Logan Aluminum manufactures aluminum can stock in Russellville, Kentucky. These couplings were failing due to extreme shock loading and water washout. Logan saved over $2 million in a single application by switching to Schaeffer products. Prior to using Schaeffer, equipment failures and lost production were costing the company and the OEM supplier tens of thousands of dollars per month. These dramatic improvements in equipment performance were achieved while actually reducing lubricant usage by 60%. But you don't have to have a steel mill or an aluminum mill to get bottom-line savings from Schaeffer products. Municipal fleets, utilities, and commercial trucking operations all experience hard dollar savings by using superior lubricants. Our fleet maintenance program helps customers enjoy significant cost reductions through extended service intervals, lower disposal costs, equipment availability, and fuel economy. Together with the local factory representative, Schaeffer provides a number of value-added services, such as the oil analysis program, lubrication management and training seminars, just to name a few. As they say at Schaeffer, we're on your team, not on your payroll. At TXI Cement, Maintenance Supervisor John Smith documented a $105,000 savings in his 148-truck fleet. This figure does not include an estimated $600 per unit annual fuel savings. Quality Beverage, the Anheuser-Busch distributor for South Boston, reduced bottom-line operating costs of their fleet by 40%. This figure does not include a fuel economy gain they experienced of over 5%. These kinds of savings are possible because superior lubricants save time, up to 50% more time, because they extend drain intervals and reduce the amount of time maintenance personnel spend changing oil. This frees them to do more important jobs, jobs that otherwise might not get done. When we talk about products engineered for severe environments, racing is one of the toughest. The Richard Petty driving experience puts you in the driver's seat of a real Winston Cup race car. With over 20 racetrack locations around the country, it is clearly the foremost racing experience in the nation. When Schaeffer contacted Richard Petty, he found these products significantly enhanced the performance of the Richard Petty driving experience cars. Schaeffer Oil helps Richard Petty keep his cars out of the shop and out on the track. And to Petty, that's the bottom line.